Accidents happen, and dealing with the aftermath can be stressful, especially when it comes to your vehicle's value. If your car has been in an accident and is deemed a total loss by the insurance company, or if you're seeking diminished value compensation after repairs, understanding how to negotiate its worth is crucial to ensure you receive fair compensation. This explanation will walk you through the process in a straightforward manner. Typically, after an accident resulting in a total loss, your insurance company will make an initial offer based on their assessment of your vehicle's actual cash value, ACV. The ACV is generally the market value of your car immediately before the accident, taking into account factors like its age, mileage, condition, and any options. For diminished value claims, where your car has been repaired but is now worth less due to its accident history, the insurance company will assess the loss in value. Your role, research, and preparation are key. Before you even think about negotiating, you need to do your homework. This involves: determine your car's pre-accident value. Don't just accept the insurance company's number. Research the fair market value of your car before the accident. Reliable sources include online valuation tools. Websites like Kelley Blue Book KBB, Edmunds, and NADA Guides provide estimated values based on your car specifics. Get quotes from multiple sources. Local listings. Check classifieds online and print for similar vehicles, same year, make, model, trim, mileage, and condition being sold in your area. This gives you a real-world snapshot of the market. Sales history. If possible, research recent sales of comparable vehicles. Document your car's condition. Gather any records that highlight your car's excellent condition or any recent maintenance, upgrades, or new parts. This can strengthen your argument for a higher valuation. Photos of your car's pristine condition before the accident can also be helpful. Understand diminished value, if applicable. If your car has been repaired but you believe it's now worth less due to the accident history, research how diminished value is calculated in your state. Some states allow you to claim this loss directly from the at-fault driver's insurance. The negotiation process, presenting your case. Once you have your research in order, you can begin the negotiation. Politely decline the initial offer. Express that you appreciate their offer, but believe it doesn't accurately reflect your vehicle's fair value. Present your evidence. Clearly and concisely present the data you've gathered. Explain why you believe your car was worth more than their initial offer, referencing your valuation research and documentation of your car's condition. Be specific and avoid emotional arguments. For example, instead of saying, "My car was in great shape," say, "According to Kelley Blue Book, the private party value for a 2020 Honda Civic LX with 45,000 miles in excellent condition is $18,500. My car had 42,000 miles and regular maintenance records, which I have provided." Be prepared to compromise. Negotiation involves give and take. While you should aim for a fair settlement, be realistic and understand that you might not get your exact asking price. Have a target range in mind. Document everything. Keep a record of all communication with the insurance adjuster, including dates, times, names, and the specifics of your conversations. Save copies of all documents exchanged. Know your rights. Understand your state's laws regarding insurance claims and total loss valuations. If you feel the insurance company is acting in bad faith, you may need to consider further action, such as contacting your state's insurance department or seeking legal counsel. A helpful tip: focus on facts and data. When negotiating, stick to objective evidence like market values from reputable sources and documentation of your vehicle's condition. Avoid emotional appeals or simply stating your opinion without supporting evidence. Presenting a well-researched and fact-based argument significantly increases your chances of a successful negotiation.